Welcome! If you want to stay updated every time someone accepts your follow request on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on notifications for accepted follow requests, so you never miss a connection. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go straight to your device's settings. This is where you can control how your apps send you notifications, including Instagram. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Instagram. Once you're inside the Instagram app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Here you'll see all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Now tap on Notification Categories. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what you want to be notified about. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Accepted Follow Requests. To make sure you get notified when someone accepts your follow request, simply toggle on the switch next to Accepted Follow Requests. When the switch turns blue or green, you'll know it's enabled. That's it. From now on, every time someone accepts your follow request on Instagram, you'll get a notification right on your phone. This is perfect for keeping track of your growing network and making sure you never miss an important update. If you ever want to turn off these notifications, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch off. Customizing your notifications helps you stay in control of what matters most to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.